What you're looking at out here is a really cool outdoor living space that now actually feels like part of the house. We've got our Zen line of shades installed. You don't even see the tracks because they're mounted on the outside, so they look completely custom. And the environment is warm and inviting, and the best part is there's no mosquitoes. And so as I roll these up, with the fire on right now even, you'll actually notice the environment go from around 75, 80 degrees to down around 60 degrees like it is outside right now. So the goal here is to not only keep the bugs out, but also keep the heat in during the winter and keep the AC in during the summer. So it truly expands the outdoor living. And in this case, our goal was to actually mount the tracks in the wall. The problem with that is this was a pre-built house and we didn't know what was behind this wall nor this beam up above, where the beam was up behind the stucco. So in this case, we were able to mount the tracks on the outside of the house, which basically gives you, from the inside looking out, gives you a completely custom feel. You don't notice them at all. And the thing I love is on the outside, these are actually paintable. So we've got our cassette style shade here. We have a open roll style for more of a modern look and a cassette style for more of a closed in look, which I liked in this instance because it actually is paintable and matches the house perfectly. We've got the light color down below, which blends in, and then up above we did a char brown that matches the house up above. So both styles completely blend in with the home and disappear. The best part of all this is it's controlled by anything you can imagine. It works perfect with Alexa, works perfect with all the different control systems on the market. Your dealer will help you select the right control system for your needs. And even better yet, when your kids bring 9 friends over, we've got all different kinds of wall switches. I ended up putting a wall switch, a real basic wall switch in here that would allow it to just stick to the stucco instead of cutting into it, because when the kids want to go in and out every 5 minutes, it's phenomenal. If you want to go flush in the wall, you've got your control switch here where you can actually put all the different devices you have, and away you go. We can even have it follow the astronomical clock and roll them up and down. And here's where you get into trouble. When this thing rolls down, either during a storm, if it needs to roll up or roll down, or if your buddy leaves out a chair and this comes down on top of a chair, it has the chance of jamming up. And any friends who've had these long term, that was always a problem if something was in the way. We've solved that. We now have a motor that has the intelligence in it that when it actually hits something, it rolls right back up and away you go. So I truly believe that our outdoor line of Zen is going to completely change what you can do with your home. It expands the house, it adds square footage to your home and adds value to your house. And it's truly fun. You talk about entertainment, fun, and even outdoor theater, like our new Solo product over there with our ultra short throw material. It's a true game changer to get an amazing picture outside, even in the middle of the day. So check us out, get with your local dealer and ask them about our new outdoor line of Zen product.